Sanibonani bafethu, sanibonani. I hope you all good. That's a grand yangithola. I'm making the video bafethu ufuna ukukhuluma about situation ehlele uMakhathi bafethu yabo. Kusho ukuthi uMakhathi mabeqhaula unyaka kwi-Gregorian calendar abantu besithi happy new year yena make ithola i-car accident esuka from eLimpopo to eJoburg. So manje ukufizwe we talk ukufizwe now like ubhizi utrain umzimba wakhe for ukuthi ukwazi ukufunctiona the way umfunctiona ngakhona. And ngijabulele mina i1 bafethu ukuthi at least sisekhona uMakhathi and isipani sakhe nasasi mnandi nomculo wakhe yaphilisa nje kakhulu. So as long as saphila bafethu ithemba lisesekhona nayibona lonto le. Ithemba lisesekhona siyazi ukuthi vele kubanzi masamesa mawo. Naye challenge mina facane nayo ladlula kuyo currently yayibona lonto. But isithemba like ukuthi whatever adlula kuyo uzobuye more stronger, you understand, than before. And futhi sinethemba lokuthi lo kwenzekala kune reason wakusenzeka because bafithe ebomini akuhlizi kumnandi neyibona lonto le. Kunama ups and down, bakhona isikhathi ebha izinto bafithu ziyawa, bekhona isikhathi ebha izinto zimnandi and yonke into grand. So sonke abantu kumele siziprepare, sibe prepared for into ezifana lezo nayibona lonto le. So that is why I'm making this video, because I see abantu abaya nabo baya comment, abantu abaya like baya post ngaye, and I also want to be ingxenyana we yabo. Nami ngithi lapha khona ashesha lulamo sisi uMakhathi bafithu yabo, because as an artist nathi sibheke kuye nayibona heading there. Kubhasa akwenzile for igame and kubhasa akwenzile for music industry. So amanye amagama kumele simqiniseni amagama ukuthi naye la yakhona athi mayibona ama video nama post abone ukuthi yathandwa eAfrica nayibona lonto le, abone ukuthi yathandwa globally futhi, because like she's international nani yakwazi lokho. Yabo lo muntu lo nama beat award amakhulu kakhulu nayibona lonto. So mayesedlungwini ezikanje kumele simboniseni support, simboniseni uthando yabo, because now isimele as a musician ase-Africa make sure ukuthi iflag yethu hlezi eyibeka up there yayibona lonto le. And thina samangala masibona umuntu osifazane oqala ehamba uthatha i-award ye-BET award nominated nama superstars wase UK or wase Europe yayibona lonto le. So it shows ukuthi uyasipana nje kakhulu into ezimisele esipani sakhe. So makwenzeka into so we must support yena kanjani, simbonise uthando. VKS is out ngancane bafethu wase.